Hello friend, today I will show you how to fix itchio login issue problem. If you facing this problem, follow this step carefully. Let's get started. First step, clear your browser cache. Second step, refresh the page and try again. Login in again. Third step, use forget password if you can't remember your password. Fourth step, try other browser Chrome. 5 step, turn off VPN and try again. 6 step, check your Gmail for account verification. 7 step, check if your server are down, try again. And this step can fix most incorrect login issue and your problem 100% fix out. For you like this video, subscribe and comment.